Hi, this is Jakaria from Unboxing Superhuman. Hope you all are safe and sound. Have we ever wondered, since we born, we have been constantly taking from the planet in the form of air, water, sunlight, food, etc. But when it comes to giving, we hold back and we do not consciously give. We tend to forget that we are the highest form of creation and thus we have the biggest responsibility to give back to all the creations of Almighty. If we take a look at the history, all the prophets, mystics, movers and shakers of the world were big time givers. Then why we find it hard to give sometimes? Perhaps we have some common misconceptions, such as we associate giving with a thing or material or money. We expect to receive first to give. We think we have to have more to give. We wait for a particular occasion or month to give. We feel giving is limited to only human beings. Plant and animal kingdoms are not important. We think people might take advantage of us when we start to give. But is not giving truly a solution? Probably never. Here are the magical benefits of giving, backed by science and psychology. আমরা যখন কনসিয়াসলি গিভিং এ এঙ্গেজড হই, বডি এন্ডোরফিনস হরমোন প্রডিউস করে এবং কর্টিজল হরমোন লেভেল রিডিউস করে, যেটা স্ট্রেস এবং পেইন কমায়। সেরোটোনিন রিলিজ হয়, যেটা মুড আপলিফট করে, হ্যাপিনেস ফিলিং বাড়ায় এবং স্লিপ ইমপ্রুভ করে। অক্সিটোসিন লেভেল রাইজ করে, যেটা সোশ্যাল বন্ডিং, রিপ্রোডাকশন, চাইল্ড বার্থে হেল্প করে এবং ন্যাচারাল অ্যান্টি এজিং রেমেডি হিসেবে কাজ করে। হিয়ার ইজ দ্য ফান পার্ট। আমরা যখন কন্টিনিউয়াসলি এ ধরনের সিগন্যাল আমাদের কোরে পাঠাতে থাকবো, এটা আমাদের আনকনশিয়াস কম্পিটেন্সি এবং ডিএনএকে ইম্প্যাক্ট করবে টু হেল্প বর্ন আওয়ার ফিউচার সেলফ উইথ এ গুডনেস ইনসাইড। গিভিংয়ের বেনিফিট অন্য অনেক আনসিন ফর্মে আসতে পারে, যেমন আমাদের বাবা মার লং লাইফ, বাচ্চাদের গুড হেলথ, কোনো আপনজনের টার্মিনাল ডিজিজ না হওয়া, প্যান্ডেমিকের নিজেদের জব সিকিউর থাকে, এরকম হাজারো ব্লেসিংস যেগুলো আমরা রিয়েলাইজ করি না। হিয়ার আর দ্য রেঞ্জ অফ গিভিং that you may consider acting upon. Saying simply thank you, picking up a trash from public place, helping a physically challenged person to cross the road, bargaining less with a rickshaw puller or roadside vendors, visiting patients, feeding hungry human or animal, adopting a child or a domestic animal. We can be giving at workplace too. We can actively listen and appreciate our colleagues. We can coach or mentor. Always remember, leaders are givers. Even being homemaker, we can give back by raising a conscious little human. Water, electricity, গ্যাসের মতো লিমিটেড রিসোর্স ওয়াইজলি কনজিউম করে অথবা প্লাস্টিক ইউসেজ কমিয়েও আমরা কন্ট্রিবিউট করতে পারি। We can do the community or social work like blood donation, planting trees, sponsoring a child for education, helping someone to find a job or start a small business, building hospital, school, college, even online platform like 10 Minutes School. The greatest gift you can give someone is your time and effort. যেমন কোভিড ভ্যাকসিন রেজিস্ট্রেশনে হেল্প করা, স্পেশালি যাদের ইন্টারনেট লিটারেসি বা অ্যাক্সেস নেই। অরফ্যানেজ, ওল্ড হোমস, ফিজিক্যালি চ্যালেঞ্জ চাইল্ড কেয়ার হোমস ভিজিট করা, থার্ড জেন্ডার রাইটস নিয়ে কাজ করা। আমরা যেই প্রফেশনেই থাকি না কেন, সুযোগ পেলে ফ্রি কনসালটেশন দিয়ে হেল্প করা। One of the highest form of giving is inventing something like Einstein or Nikola Tesla did. We can work on the disruptive ideas or technology to solve the problems of the planet and take the humanity forward. Probably the highest form of giving is self-development, whereby we become less consuming, loving and compassionate, and our whole life becomes a service for others. Trust me, we all have giver inside us. We just need to activate and nurture it. Let's go through the process how easily we can do it. Number 1, set an intention and time. Verbally share like I am a giver and I am the service of all who cross my path today. You can write down your intention and maintain a daily giving journal. 2, start with a small thing. Smile. Be kind with everyone, even with a stranger. Make a phone call to a relative or friend who may need your service. 3, read and watch the contents about all-time greats like Nelson Mandela, Mother Teresa, Mahatma Gandhi, who sacrificed their whole life for the service of others. You can also read about the philanthropists like Tata, Bill Gates, Rockefeller, Etzel Ford, and many more who donated billions of dollars to make a better world. 4. Find a local or global community to mingle with like-minded people and to build network to make a bigger impact. There are so many local and global non-profit organizations like Rotary, Save the Children, Ekta Kayahar, Jago Foundation, BD Clean, to name a few. 5. Set a daily, monthly and yearly target of where you want to see yourself in terms of giving. You can set a bold target like I want to give 10% of my income, or I will do 10 hours of community work per month. 6. Keep it a low profile. If you give and expect something in return, it's not giving, it's a deal. Now, when you give something unconditionally without expecting anything in return, Almighty has His own way of paying back, and it will astonish you. Doesn't matter where you live, what you do, how old you are, and what your financial status is, you can certainly give. Just to give you an idea about the long-term impact of conscious giving, there are around 45 million children in Bangladesh between the age of 0 and 14. If we start simple daily giving practice at home and integrate into the curriculum of school, just imagine the total number of acts of giving going to be generated every single day. When these children grow up, they will simply transform Bangladesh to make a better world.